What if you see every hospital is filled with human? Yes, and humans are suffering from the deadliest virus. Yes, bird flu. So hello guys. I hope you are doing well enough in your life. So let's understand bird flu virus. What is the bird flu virus and what are the symptoms? And we will also discuss the solution how to survive in bird flu virus. So let's go with Mission Parivartan. So before we start, how to survive in yes, bird flu virus. So it is very important to understand first of all what is bird flu virus. So bird flu virus, also known as avian influenza, it is a viral infection that primarily affects birds, okay, particularly poultry like chickens and ducks, okay. The virus can cause a range of symptoms in birds from mild illness to severe respiratory distresses, okay, and it may also lead to a significant drop in egg production. Bird flu is caused by influenza A viruses. Okay, now in very simple terms, it is an illness, okay, disease that can make birds, particularly chickens and ducks, very sick. Sometimes the virus can also infect humans as well as, but this doesn't happen very soon, so don't worry about it. So before starting the solution, how to get rid from the virus, first you need to understand how it spreads. So bird flu spreads among birds, okay, through contacted with infected bird, dropping or secretions. When people get infected, it is usually because they have been in close contact with infected birds. In rare cases, the virus can change in a way that allows it to spread more easily between humans. Now let's understand one by one step how it happens. First of all, infected bird can shed the virus in their saliva, nasal secretions and feces. Healthy birds can become infected by direct contact with these contaminated bodily fluids, okay? And the other one is the bird flu virus can survive for some time in the environment as well as birds can become infected by coming into the contact with surface or water contaminated with the virus, okay. And the other one is the movement of infected birds. The movement of infected birds or poultry products from one region to another can contribute to the spread of the virus as well as, so don't avoid this as well. Internationally, trade in the live birds or poultry products can pose a risk if adequate precautions are not taken by the people, okay. Here, wild waterfowl, especially ducks and geese, are natural reservoirs. Reservoirs mean a large lake where water is stored for a specific area, okay. It calls are reservoirs for bird flu viruses. So these birds can carry the virus without showing severe symptoms even. So during the migration, if you move from one to another, it means, okay, infected wild birds can introduce the virus to new areas as well as. And the other one is the virus can be introduced to domestic poultry farms through contaminated feed, water or equipment as well as. So infected birds in one area can shed the virus. Shed means spreads the virus, and if proper biosecurity measures are not in place, the virus can be carried to other location. So here are, first of all, surviving in bird flu is all about taking the preventions and seeking best medical help. But here are some tips how to survive. Practice good hygiene is the best thing you can do first of all. The other one is avoid close contact with bird. Yes, you will have to avoid the contact with birds if you have. Okay. The other one is avoid unprotected exposure to sick birds. So please stay away from the sick birds. If you seen a sick bird, please avoid. And if you are going to help that bird, you need to first of all take the good hygiene and use protective equipment as well as. And the other one is practice respiratory hygiene. If you sneeze, cough, and even your bird sneeze, cough, or anything else happens with that, okay, with that you need to practice the hygiene as well as. First of all, close your mouth with mask, okay. And the other one is use the gloves. And the other one is also cover your hair. And the other one is monitor your health. Yes, if you seeing that you are dying means not dying, you are just seeing that you are not comfortable with your right now health condition, so it means monitor your health regular. And the other one is seek medical attention. If you have symptoms, you need to just seek the medical attention, otherwise you are going to die. The other one is follow healthcare guidelines by WHO and by the government. The other one is avoid the travel to affected areas. If you see somewhere is affected area, you don't need to go there. Whether it happens good or not, but you don't need to go there. So thank you very much for watching our video. I think you understood what I told you in the video, what I gave you in the video. Thank you very much for watching our video.